Hello, I'm Ms. Brittany, the Judy Center Case Manager. The Hawthorne Judy Center offers a Getting Ahead, Bridges Out of Poverty workshop for Hawthorne parents. During this workshop, we will investigate the realities of conditions in your community and how they impact you. You will learn more about the hidden rules of the middle and upper class. Participants will develop skills that will give them the confidence to get ahead in life. During this workshop, we discuss ways to build resources and make connections at home and at work. Participants will discuss ways to deal with the change and create stability in their lives. This is a 16-session workshop. Sessions are typically held twice a week for 1 hour each. For every session that each participant attends, they will be given a household gift from the Judy Center. If you would like to learn more about the Getting Ahead, Bridges Out of Poverty workshop, or you are interested in signing up for our next workshop, please click the link below or contact the Judy Center at 667-251-5837.